Good morning, students. We have finished the lesson, the three questions. Now we shall turn to English workshop, page number 55. Read the story and answer whether the following statements are true or false. First, the people convinced the king to make a proclamation. People told no, he had made himself. Then it is false. The hermit spoke usually to everyone. No, he is speaking to only poor people. Next, the king received all answers from the hermit. Yes, he received. Then the person the king saved and helped was his enemy. True, it is true. To do good to people is the purpose of our life. It is also true. Now turn the page. Match the titles with the contents of the proper paragraph. So here the paragraph, the beginning of the paragraph and the end of the paragraph, it is given, and in the next column the content. So proper the content, titles with the content. So we will see once a certain king. We shall read the first column only. Once a certain king dash important to do. This paragraph is there. Then second paragraph, many learned people, time for everything. Then equally varied, gave the reward to none. When the king arrived, my first attention, the hermit listened, continued to dig. The king turned round, gave it to him. Meanwhile, the son dash said the king, you do not know all my life. The king was very glad. The day before, do you not see? Said into his life. Then next column B, king gains a friend. The wounded stranger, king helps the hermit. The stranger begs for pardon. The hermit points out answers. The stranger's vicious intention. Questions remain unanswered. The king received various answers. King's announcement. The king meets the hermit. Now we shall see the content and the paragraph. Once a certain king, important to do. What is it? It is king's announcement. Then second, many learned people, time for everything. What is it? The king received various answers. Equally varied, gave the reward to none. Third one, it is G, question remain unanswered. Then when the king arrived, what is it? The king meets the hermit. Hermit listened. Continue to dig. What is it? King helps the hermit. The king turned round, gave it to him. The wounded stranger. You do not know all. 7. Meanwhile, the king, said the king, the stranger begs for pardon. 8. You do not know all my life. It is F. The stranger's vicious intention. Then the king was very glad the day before. The king gains a friend. Do you not see? Said into his life. The hermit points out answers. Now these answers you will write where the place is given over here. Now question number 3. The character traits of king and hermit are mixed up. Sort them out in the right box. What are the traits of both of them? Feeble, helpful, enlightened, impatient, eager to succeed, patient, convincing and wise. So in king, what qualities king have? King is impatient. He was very eager to know the answer. Then eager to succeed and helpful. How he was helpful? When the hermit was digging, he helped the hermit. Then hermit. Which qualities hermit have? He is wise, convincing, enlightened, patient and feeble. Now turn to question number 4. Complete the tree diagram associated with the happenings in the story. Reward winning questions. Which are the reward winning questions? What is first? what was the right time for every action, and then how would the king know what was the most important things to do. Then different responses to the first question. What were the different responses? Draw up in advance a table of days, months and years and follow it strictly. Then another answer, what? One should always attend to all that is going on and then do what is most essential. Then see, most necessary people needed by the king. Which are the most necessary people? The counselor, priests and warriors and doctors. Next, most important occupations. Which are the most important occupations? First is science, skill in warfare and religious worship. Now turn the page. Question number 5. Write down in your notebook 2 points for each of the following. How do you know? The learned visors who came to the court confused the king. The king was humble. The king's enemy was repentant. The hermit was truly wise. Then question number 6. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Varied, paragraph 3, means what? Different, unnecessary, unequal, unimportant. Then many learned people came to the court and give the same answers, correct answers, different answers or wrong answers. The synonym of convinced is persuaded, happy, unhappy, angry. The king wanted to know the dash time to begin everything. Right time, exact time, proper time or good time. Then I pray you to answer my question. Here pray means what? Plead to God, request, order or suggest. Then choose an adverb that collocates with breathe. Hurriedly, heavily, hardly or calmly. So this you will complete question number 6 in your notebook. Then answer the following questions. The learned people were sometimes divided in their opinions. Different persons giving quite different answers at other time. None of them gave an answer. They all suggested ways to looking for an answer. Can you point out one example of each? So in this way you will read the question from question number 7. Then question number 8. Consider this list of the things that happened and rearrange them. So you will read and rearrange according to the story. Now read the story in your own language. Summarize the following aspects of the story in 4 to 5 lines each in your own language. Write it in your notebook. So you have to write this story in short in your own language, means you can write in Marathi. So what is king's problem, that you will write. Then attempts made to find the solution. Then climax, solution and message. Then the following compound words from the story are spelled in a jumbled order. Rearrange the letters to make them meaningful. So here you will complete this. Then from the story find the collocations of the following. Important, frail and dash time, simple dash asleep, dash intently, wildly dash blood, dash closed, dash peace. Then say the verbs underlined in the sentences are finite, limited by the number or person or subject, or non-finite. So this also question number you will complete. Then question number 12. Narrate an experience of your own that has helped you to realize the patience is bitter but its fruit is sweet. Write in your notebook in about 20 lines. Then after reading this story, develop a dialogue with 2 of your classmates about the characters in the story beside the factful introduction to the conversation, and write 8 to 10 sets of dialogue. So in your homework, which questions you will complete, I shall write on the board that you will complete in the notebook. So your homework is read the lesson, then complete the following questions. So So which questions you will complete in the notebook? Question number 6. Then and question number 12. These two questions you will complete in the homework. Thank you.